so this is a one-time exclusive. David goes solo for FR UK, Food Review UK. This is a one-off. But today, I am going to review for you the Waitrose Christmas 3-bird roast wrap. AKA, incredible. Look at that packaging. Shaped like a cracker. How is this not going to get 5 stars? Then I'll tell you what's inside it. A wheat tortilla wrap filled with roasted chicken breast, roasted duck, and roasted turkey with cranberry chutney, spiced mayonnaise, and Apollo lettuce. I, for one, cannot wait. I should really pull it like a cracker, but... So let's pull it out. Okay, nice. Nice. Here we go. A good size for a wrap as well. First bite, all bread, all bread, all bread that's dead, with a hint of cranberry. So I've got to go in, got to go deeper. It's really nice. I can taste the chicken, I can taste the duck. Not quite sure where the turkey is, and it's quite overbearing with cranberry. It's like the cranberry kind of takes away the taste of all the meats. Oh, no, that's better. As I make my way down the shaft of the wrap, yeah, you definitely pick up the meat. Definitely taste the meat more the deeper you go down. Waitrose done good. John Lewis, they own Christmas. You've seen the adverts now, you've tasted the wrap. Incredible. Yeah, it's a decent 4 stars from me. And a preview of what's to come. Maybe a cheeky breakfast special. Toffee crisp cereal. Yeah. Stay tuned. Mwah. Yo, MJ Petno. Yo, MJ and dog. Oh, whoops. Technical difficulties. As you may or may not know, I'm David Goss, aka Gossi. No, let's do that again. Probably the best thing I've ever had.